Gears of War 2, Mortal Kombat Roman 2, Mortal Kombat Roman 2, Red Dead the Admiral Roaring Currents, Age of Empires Roman 2, The Age of Kings, Kingdom Hearts Roman 2, Lego Star Wars Roman 2, The Original Trilogy, Lego Star Wars Roman 2, The Original Trilogy, Diablo Roman 2, Diablo Roman 2, Metal Gear Solid, Metal Gear Solid, Silent Hill 2, Silent Hill 2, God of War Roman 2, God of War Roman 2, Call of Duty 2, Call of Duty 2, Doom Roman 2, Hell on Earth, Doom Roman 2, Hell on Earth, Street Fighter Roman 2, Street Fighter Roman 2, BioShock 2, BioShock 2, Uncharted 2, Among Thieves, Uncharted 2, Among Thieves, Red Dead Redemption, Red Dead Redemption, Borderlands 2, Borderlands 2, Mass Effect 2, Mass Effect 2, Resident Evil 2, Resident Evil 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Assassin's Creed Roman 2, Assassin's Creed Roman 2, Halo 2, Halo 2, Half-Life 2, Half-Life 2, Portal 2, Portal 2, Batman Arkham City, Batman Arkham City, King and the Clown.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.